I'm checking. Alright guys, I'm gonna go over number one. Now, it would be incredibly helpful if this was written with a multiplication dot here, because this 5 is actually separate from this exponent. This, your brain really needs to see. Yes, it's 5 to the first times x to the 0. So, Alexa, what'd you get? Number 1. It's 5. Okay? As I was just discussing, ladies. Look, Alexa, there's a multiplication dot in between here. So this is actually 5 times 1. Because, yes, x to the 0 is 1, but this is a 5. So this is 5 times 1. So my answer is 5. See this? I'm sure you can. I'm just going to highlight it. This is not 0, though. This is a 1. This yellow bit here is the same as 1. Just the yellow bit. That's a 1. So that's really 5 times 1.
Hold on. I think what he was saying was right, because you never showed us what to do if we had two different variables. And
that's what I'm adding today. Today we're having multiple variables.
So will we just turn that into the division equation and flip it and then solve it from there?
Yeah. But I'm going to do number 2 next. Ready?
Okay.
So I see the same base. So I'm supposed to add exponents, right? So I could have gone to a calculator and done all that, but really same base, you're supposed to add exponents. So this is 4 to the first, just 4. Okay. All right. So I heard some discussion about yesterday. We didn't do multiple variables. Actually, on the pink cheat sheet, you do see x's and y's. Okay, actually on the green sheet too. So I don't know why I said that. All right. So the only issue I have is here. Negative exponents are not supposed to stay negative. So I'm going to rewrite this. Currently, if this was a fraction, it would be over 1. I don't see a denominator. That means the denominator is 1. So I'm going to put this down into the denominator. I'm going to leave the m alone. That was good. And I'm going to move the x down. So that's going to be m to the third over x squared.
Oh.
You separate the terms. Sure, you want me to hold that so you don't like lose points for no reason? I will.
So when you make it into a fraction, does it become positive?
You can subtract that. Yeah.
When you move it within that fraction, it becomes positive. Alright, so right now, number 4, the denominator is 1. I have a negative exponent. I can't leave it like that. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the denominator. 1 over 1 to the 5th. Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Alright, let's check homework.
Are we doing the other side of the grade paper for homework?
You said 13? Wait, which one?
I try to get as much as
Alright, check what I got out there.
Well, do you see my homework?
You mean zoom out to number 8?
Yeah. Oh. And then the actually, so like if not, what's the expected debt? Is that all you need to rate? Yeah, right. Go to board. Stop.
No, we got it right.
Yeah,
We just didn't write all those X.
yeah, we didn't write that. We got negative 9x times 15 times 5. Yeah, I can getting the new backpack. You need to put the brand I have on Amazon. I'll send it over. You'd be like so surprised. My blue. That's why I went in the trash. You saw that one. It's scary. Oh, I was right. Oh, not that one.
This is actually memory math if you want to keep your pink paper out. What's going to happen is you guys are going to try to match a problem to an answer. So we're just doing practice problems, but it's a game format, so you guys can win free assignment boxes. Though I will say people usually hate this because it's all about luck and they get very angry. It's just a lucky game. So let's wait and see who's going to get angry today. Alright, keep your paper and pencil out.
No, but I get nervous and read it with mail. And my anxiety.
Just put it there for now. No, tell me any number you see up here. Pick a number 1 through 20. What again? Alright, you guys, so does this look like it could be simplified?
Yeah.
No. That's in simplest form. So everybody on your paper, write down 24 negative 1/5. No. That's why it's not. Alright, Jacob. You get to pick another one. Look at 13. 13 is also an answer. 1/625. That's an answer. try to find the problem and match it up.
On our paper, right?
Yeah. So 13, 1 over 625. All right, so Jacob's turn is over. You have to figure out when the right time is to put his number back in. Okay.
1 over 625.
You won't for a while.
Yeah.
You might not do it for 10 minutes. All right, Tristan, pick a number.
One.
Pick another one.
13.
That doesn't match. That doesn't match. Pick a different one.
8.
Did you know he picked 13? Were you paying attention? Yeah. Okay, he picked 13. Let him go. And then so what? Give him.
Under.
Pick somebody else. Pick somebody else.
It's basically go. Nice.
28.
28. Who's 28? United is pick a number. 5.
He gets it.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright. I'm gonna put it on this tray, nice and big. Right?
I have 37 already.
Alright, so this is not simplified. Anything with negative, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Anything with negative exponents or a power of 0 has to be simplified. So your task right now is to simplify it on paper. Okay, try to simplify this problem. Well, I know the bottom will become 1. N to the 0 power is 1. So let's start with that. I don't know how competitive you guys are, but I was just going to do them with you. Negative exponents have to move their spot in the fraction. And then I can actually do 2 squared. Oh, I didn't go too fast. Yeah, but they have to get lucky and get picked. That's why it's all about getting lucky. But no, but Unitas gets to pick another one, but he has no idea where it could be, you know, so. Now you're searching for that. So Unitas, you get to pick any other number now. 21? 21. That's a problem. So now you guys have to solve another problem. Well, you had like 5 answers in a row. So. And if you end up getting a match, you do have to have the work shown. Okay. All right, so I see the same base, and again, I have it written here if you can't see the paper. So I know I'm going to add the exponent. So that's going to be w to the first, or maybe it'll just be w. All right, so now you got to pick 2, so his turn's over. Draw a new person.
16. Oh, that's me.
Not
Yes.
using your time productively.
Wait, do I?
Pick any number.
You pick any number.
Oh, on the border.
On the board.
In the pick a like a number on the paper. Exactly.
2. I'm picking up one, right? 15. Down.
Like, so if you get a picture early on, you're not as lucky as if you get pictures.
Yeah, W2.
Yeah.
But that's why the ref's gonna put it back in. Did you pick your reason?
Number one.
Oh.
This is actually, I think, one of the most difficult ones in there. So, technically, negative W. So, you guys, you do not get called on your number has to get picked. Why? Because Alexa was distracting you. All right. So I see the same base here, right?
Oh yeah.
This is the problem, right? All right. So I see the same base. So I'm going to add those powers.
And you put a 1 in front of the W.
So this is an answer, and I would probably give this credit on a quiz or a test, but technically, you could go further. This is like -1 times W to the 4th. Is with me there. Separating the negative sign and the W. So then the power property says this is -1 to the 4th times W to the 4th. Does anybody know what -1 times -1 times -1 times -1 is?
It'd be -1.
Let's try it. I'll write it out. All right, so these two are going to be positive. These two would be negative. And these two would be positive. So it actually equals a +1.
Oh.
So the answer to 11 is W to the 4th. Now, did Brianna go twice? Now, Brianna, if you think you know where W to the 4th is, you call that out now. But I don't know if you know.
Oh, it's one of them games.
Is it too? Yes, it is. Good job, Brianna. You got the first match. So she's over to sign it fast. Okay. Well, I did the math, but okay. So Lori, next to number 2, put an X. And next to right to right. No, in 11. No, here, so they know not to think. With a Okay, so don't pick 11 or 2 anymore. They have been matched. All right, Lori, take another person.
Seventeen.
Yeah, that needs to be simplified. That's 4 to a 0 power.
17.
So,
Is the 0?
All right, so 4 to 0 I know is 1. So that's my first move. It's my easiest move in my opinion. Now I'm going to take this and bring it down so it can become positive. And then I'm wondering if anybody has a calculator out to do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I'll let you guys figure it out. If you got your calculators, figure it out. If you don't, figure it out. Well, that's for my other classes.
I think it's 32.
You should have kept your mouth closed.
Are you gonna go again, Brayden? Did you figure out? Oh, you said that.
Hurts.
Did you pick another one, Brayden?
Oh yeah.
Nine. Here's number nine. Number nine.
Oh.
I'll write it on the screen, okay? Who said that? Can you simplify this? I'm gonna stop
W to the third, and you can simplify that by doing. I think you would say you could turn 9 up. You could use 9 as the 1 in the fraction. So it'd be 9 over W to the positive third.
What do you think you want to do first, Renaya?
I gotta look at the paper.
What do you want to do first, Tristan? What would you do first in this problem?
Wait, don't you do 9 times 8 times W 0 plus 0?
I would just turn this into a 1 first.
Oh, and then you add them numbers. And you
Well,
do that times W.
No, I'm going to do 9 times 1.
Something.
And there's another move, but I'm going to leave it a mystery.
Did I know it? Okay. No, my paper's smeared.
All right, you can pick a new participant. Did 18 already get hit?
No, that's me. 14.
14.
One for W.
Number 5.
Oh, right. Whoa. Let me write this on the screen. 14 is 1 over 4 W to the third. It seems as though she believes she has a mat. I'll hold it. You hold 14 and I'll hold this one. And this was 1 over 4W third. So very good. Okay, you got a free assignment pass.
Yay!
Another one.
All right.
Lauren, why you smelling this stuff? You cheating?
Yeah, you cheating. That time you won't do that because he cheated.
What's he do? How you cheating?
The only way to cheat is to take a
He does get a free assignment pass just for helping, so maybe that's why he's smiling.
You should have just told me that, and I would have stood up there.
Hey, pick another person.
Yeah.
Move on, referee.
26.
26.
29.
Sorry, no.
26.
She said 9. No, wait. That's alright. There's 9.
You fall, you can still use it.
There's 9.
Now you just gotta find an answer.
Do you already have it solved?
No, I got it up here. I got some work up here for you.
Yeah, but you said something.
You good?
No. There's one more step. No, you get to pick another number. 23, roll the dice. Oh, interesante.
Miss, what did you just say?
Cinco y 9 a 0.
Yeah, but like, you know, that language, you say something and mean it.
Hey, so with this negative here, once again, this is one of the most difficult things about exponents, is seeing that this is a negative 1 outside the problem. So I rewrite it as a negative 1 times 9 to the 0. Okay. So now I got 5 to the negative 1 times 1. Weird. 5 negative 1 over negative 1. What? So now I have to circle this and put it on the bottom. This, however, is fine. The only thing that moves is if this had a negative exponent, and it doesn't. So only negative exponents move, not negative numbers. So the negative exponent's going down. Perfect. So now there's a 1 on top. All this time, I believe you are shit.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Can I do it?
There's
Already
no
know
way.
that. I like another one.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
By
No.
far. Please let me know how to.
He is
I'm
not
gonna
cheating.
watch the referee. If he's looking at the papers, he's out. Pick another number.
All right. Number 32. We don't have that.
That's true. That's too hard.
It only goes to 29.
I don't know. This is a 6 or a 7.
Please, something.
6.
Number
Oh.
6.
Is the referee looking at the papers?
Look at it.
Karina says 12, please. Come on. Nice choice.
Oh, this is easy. Nice.
I got it on the screen. I got it on the screen. Jason, do you know what I do with the 6 and the 4? Should I add them or multiply them? That's so true. So true. I'm going to leave it. Who just what? Karina gets to go again. You didn't pick 2, did you? Okay, pick another number. Patron. Ooh. I think there's multiple matches. Okay, Russ, don't look. Don't look.
Don't look. Don't look. She looks.
25.
Ooh.
25.
You were looking at it.
Sometimes people get hit in dead athletic events.
What?
Competition.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Is this Gina? Let's go, Gina.
You said
Three, Trey. If you were to speak Spanish, I think you would know better.
Where did my pen go?
What's up? Hey, Gina, you get to pick one more. Interesting. This is number 8. We're going to put it under 1 and make it positive. And then we're going to use our calculator to go one more step. And if you don't have a calculator, I'm not doing it for you.
It's 5 times 5, which is 25.
All right, Brett, can we pick another number? Don't look.
575, miss. Miss.
No, Gia, I think that could be great for you. No, I wasn't ready. We got 5 minutes. It's only 6:20.
The answer to that is 275.
I think it's 6:25.
Oh yeah, no, wait, yeah, no it is.
Yeah, you got it again. Shut up.
No, because it's not that because um I haven't gone. It's
Go Tigers.
bro. It's
Miss, can you tell her I hope everybody can get 90. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. It's never that deep.
Wait,
Bruh, Gabby. Number 8 and 13 on the match. You could have got free homework. Yes. The one that we just did and the one that we did at the end of the class.
oh, 5 times 7 is 25 and 25 times 5 is 25 and then 25 times 5. I was gonna ask you.
you can write it on the whiteboard if you want. I'm gonna show you where. That is 115 because 115 divided by 25 is 5. No, because do you know 5 times or 4 times 25? Like 4 quarters. Add one more 25. 125. Now 5 times 125. So I think you were just off by 7.
I was off by one.
Laura, you want your pad?
No, if you hold it for me, I might lose.
I might forget, so you gotta remember. I'll fill it out and put it in here.
Bro, stop talking.